According to the International Energy Agency's World Energy Outlook in 2020, solar power schemes offer the cheapest electricity in the world. In a world of environmental consciousness on the path toward a clean energy future, rooftop solar is the cheapest form of clean and renewable energy there is. However, with all these economical and environmental benefits, Australia's largest businesses aren't able to use it. Why? The answer? Our grid. An archaic, century-old model designed for a one-way flow of energy from the power station to the consumer. Solar panels generate energy all the time, and that, of course, leads to surplus energy always being generated. There are two options for this surplus energy. Either it goes to waste, or it's sent back to the grid. Sending this excess energy back to the grid directly contradicts the one-way infrastructure design with an imposed two-way flow. This contradiction to the original build has led to voltage instability, which in turn causes outages, electrical fires, and infrastructure damage.
Wildfires continue. CAISO is projecting energy shortfalls today.
There is some challenges, both because of the high level of energy use and some of the fires we're experiencing up north, which is impacting our ability to import power from Oregon and Washington.
To avoid such complications, grid operators have capped the amount of solar energy allowed to be exported back to the grid. And if it exceeds those caps, the rooftop solar energy generated can simply be turned off. These limits imposed by grid operators will lead to commercial scale operations constantly having their rooftop solar energy curtailed. Consequently, only a small fraction of energy generation will come from rooftop solar. Therefore, here in Australia, enterprise is unable to unlock the full potential of renewable energy, drastically reducing the ROI. In summary, if someone is able to find a solution to these curtailments and allow big business to fully utilize rooftop solar with all its economic and environmental benefits, the market uptake is inevitable. eleXsys is that solution.
eleXsys dynamically, independently solves the voltage problem created by sending energy backwards. And it does that with using its artificial intelligence. It's like a little mini brain sitting in your house or in your business. Harmonizes the grid, harmonizes the electricity, so you can actually send it both ways down the same pipe.
These two-way smart grids generate, store, distribute, and optimize energy generated on the consumer side of the grid, whilst also monitoring and managing the flow of excess energy being sent back to the grid, effectively solving the voltage stability problem. eleXsys, without any cost to the taxpayer or the grid, has unlocked the ability and economic benefits that come with rooftop solar for enterprise-level organizations. And it's already in practice with IKEA South Australia, who has engaged eleXsys Energy to demonstrate how businesses globally can be empowered to take immediate, cost-effective action and accelerate the adoption of renewable energy. The flagship site for this initiative, the IKEA retail outlet in Adelaide, is expected to be completed by 2022. It's not just the market lining up to back eleXsys solution.
I've got a long history in power development and renewable projects, but this constraint of the issue around the grid and the ability to move it around is really what eleXsys helps solve. I think they've got the right team and the right technology, and as Steve said earlier, it's something that's obviously politically the winds have swung, and now's the right time for it.
eleXsys has all the key fundamentals you want in a venture taking on a global challenge. Protective and competitive technology, key strategic relationships already established, proven technology, a blue chip cornerstone client, award-winning technology, and geopolitical and environmental tailwinds. The product market fit, check. Competitive solution, check. Team, check. Existing demand, check. Timing, check. The fundamentals are in place, and it's not too late to jump on board. And with the 2021-2022 timeline and milestones, now is a better time than ever to have your part in the potential upside of eleXsys Energy leading up to a planned IPO listing for 2022. So, Take your chance to be part of the most competitive solution there is to one of the more severe problems facing the globe today, and engage with WI Capital for the eleXsys Energy pre-IPO round.